The first one I bought.
Hey friends, how are you guys? I hope you are doing well, safe and healthy. So, it's just a quick update. I'm just gonna say that, or I'm just gonna give you a quick update. We just finished our walkthrough. Walkthrough, it's basically putting blue tapes all in the entire house to touch up some paints, or if you have other concerns you can tell the builder. So we just had a walkthrough an hour ago with the builder and our realtor, and obviously with my husband too. So yeah, that's it. And actually it's a little bit surprising and strange that they're okay having a walkthrough 3 days before closing or move-in date. Because I remember when we were closing this house, we had our walkthrough 2 weeks before. But I mean, yeah, every builder is different, so I think they can paint it or repaint it or touch it up in just 3 days. So today's Tuesday, and we are moving in and closing also on our new home on Friday. So yeah, and then Thursday, so like 2 days from now, we are closing in this house also. So we are moving out like in a day and a half from now. And the buyer from other state, they're gonna move in here on Thursday too at noon. So I mean, or no, 2 p.m. So yeah, we are really busy, and I'm nervous, but at the same time I'm happy. We are just really busy right now because we have to really pack everything and move out everything and load everything out in the U-Haul truck that we rented tomorrow, like the whole day tomorrow, because on Thursday morning I have to have time to really clean this house, because it needs to be crystal clean before the buyers walk through on Thursday noon. So yeah, so we are going to move out here Thursday around 10, and which is a day from now, because Tuesdays, or almost 2 days from now, because today's Tuesday afternoon. So we need to move out here Thursday before 11. It needs to be like 10. And then we will going to early check in the Airbnb that I booked for 2 nights. And then after that we were gonna move into our new house. Actually, we don't have to stay for 2 nights in our Airbnb, but I just booked 2 nights just in case there will be a little bit of problem. I have to be ready because we have, a baby. And my in-laws, from Texas, they are going to be arriving today around like 6-7 p.m. because they're going to help us and to move and take care of Dylan and watch Dylan, and you know, so I'm so grateful and thankful for them. So yeah, that is just a quick update. I like, you know, we just had walkthrough. I'm gonna clip a little bit of videos in here, but yeah, I didn't film the whole walkthrough because I'm planning to make an empty house tour, hoping that I can do that. I still have to ask my husband how can I film it, but yeah, that's it. And I just want to have a really quick update for you guys, and maybe I can, you know, document some things or packing. I mean, like, I just don't want to like film packing and packing, even if we're really packing, cleaning every day, and I just don't want to what do you call that, to film that all the time because I don't want to bore you, you know, like, oh my god, it's just packing. So yeah, hopefully after this video I can upload an empty house tour. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. And but yeah, nervous and happy and very blessed. I also had just a birthday yesterday too, so yeah, we are busy, but it was a very nice birthday surprise that my husband planned with my closest friends. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I love you guys.